Okay, we now today learn how to learn the program, which means how to make it. This welding about the workstation, welding this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 product. We can see this file is export from the robot, the controller to the PC. Save the old date to the PC. We open the old data, the file. We open it. Here is the robot file. We don't change anything. We only see the programs. This product we use the SP4C. This program we open it. You can see that here. Here is the program name. Name is SP4C, right? We can see that here about 185 lines. We see that here. See that here is not a robot running the program. Only this is a comment file that don't need in the operation of the robot. Okay. Here welding one premise set is speed and the current and the voltage, and welding 2 is welding end the premise is 0.15 seconds, and the current and the voltage. Here is not here is fixed is the font. Okay, and here is the one product start. JMovie, JMovie P11. If the robot at the home one, then go to here P11, then go down P12. Okay, here is fast moving. Then JMovie P11 is here. P11 here. Here is let the camera can find this point. This point is P11 here. Then here is P12. Move it here. Then go to the P11. Then P12. Then let here LT on. LT on means is laser tracking camera. Open it is on. Turn on. Then turn on. You will find this red line. Then go to P11. Here is LT11, which means laser tracking premise 1. Use the laser tracking premise 1, which means you can see that here is this one. This one is 01. Use the task 501. This premise. Then point V11, and this means robot moving the B11, right? Then set the parameters 1. Then let the camera find the point, this point, find this point position, send to V11. V11 which means B11 and V11 are variable names, okay? Only set the position, go to the let the camera find the point, the position, send it to P11. Then go to P12, J movie, robot movie to B12, find this point, also do this camera find the position, pointer position, save to V12, B13 here. Then save the pointer position to camera the position to P13, B14, B14 and B15, because here is start, here is end, about a distance. Start point on welding scene coverage, right? Here's go B15, then center point. After find the B15, then you can see the here. Then let the laser tracking camera turn off. Turn off is turn off this line. Then this mean is Repro V5510. Then let the robot go up about 100 millimeter. This point is safe point. If robot run this line, the touch will go up about 100 millimeter. Here, LWS, which means robot. L movie, we just see here is J movie. J movie is joint movie. Line is line movie. Line movie. Welding start. We now set moving to V15. Moving the B1, moving the V15. V15 is this point is used the camera find this, right? You can see this. We'll touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the touch will turn about 316 degrees, right? Then we must let the touch. If here is touch is 0 degree, after find the point, the touch degree about 300 degree, right? Then we must let the touch from the 316 degree go back to 0. You know, we must consult the angle or rotation the welding gun. Okay, so we welding start point set as the V15. From you can see just we take a photo. Use the camera is red line, right? Is green line. Then welding line welding, we use the red direction from B15 go to B14, go to B13, go to B12, then go to B11. Okay. Here is start point. Then this is circle the old. From B15 to B14 is circle. B14 is B13, also is circle the old. Then go to the B11. Go to the V11, V15, V14, V13, V12, V11. Okay. Here by this is changes the direction of the camera shooting the point. Okay. Here by this, and from B15 go to B14. This mean is 1, right? We here is 1, right? Can this use the welding 1 parameters. This speed, current, and the voltage is 1. And then after we go to V11, welding finished. Then let the touch go up 100 millimeter. This me. Then go to P13. Go up P13. Then the two product start. Then go to P21. P21 is just here. Then go to here. P12. P21. Then go down a little. It's P22. Then here is the same. Here. Okay. After we do the product 4 finished, right? Then let the robot go home 1. Now this program is 4 product. If we want to edit the 5, 6 product, only can change the copy this program, then change the P this and B the number and here. Then save it. Then send the program to the robot. Then modify this point. Then let the robot go. Okay, go working. Okay, now is run, which means the program we next to let the robot how to modify this point B1 this point. Okay, thank you.